Hi there. If you're an active registered voter and not already signed up for the permanent vote by mail list in Middlesex County, you may have recently received your application to vote by mail for the upcoming election. Within each application mailer, you'll receive a letter from the Middlesex County Clerk with frequently asked questions. You may also get an application by visiting the Middlesex County Clerk Elections Division office at 75 Bayard Street in New Brunswick, or download the application on your chosen language at middlesexcountynj.gov/vote and click on the Vote by Mail button. In Box 1 of the application, indicate if you would like to vote by mail for all future elections or only one of the elections listed: the general election in November, the primary election in June, your local municipal school or fire election, or a special election on a specific date. If you're applying to vote by mail in all future elections, please remember to update your voter record if you move or if you decide to vote a different way in the future. Because voter records do not update automatically, it's important to make sure that your ballot is being mailed to your current address. In Box 2, enter your last name, first name, middle initial, and suffix if you're a junior, senior, or other. Remember that this information should match the information used when filling out your voter registration application. In Box 3, write the address where you are registered to vote. To update or change the address where you are registered to vote, you will need to complete a voter registration application. There are 3 ways you can do this: print and mail your application to the Middlesex County Board of Elections office, or drop it off in person to the same office. You may also complete the application online at voter.svrs.nj.gov/register, or while applying for or renewing your license at the Motor Vehicle Commission. If you would like to receive your vote by mail ballot somewhere other than the address in which you're registered to vote, you will need to fill out the Section 4. For example, some people may travel during fall or winter and want their ballot mailed to the address where they are staying. Please keep in mind that if you are applying to receive a vote by mail ballot for all future elections, this mailing address will stay on file with the county clerk's office and your future ballots will be mailed there. In Section 5, write your date of birth. In Section 6, your date, time, phone number, and in Section 7, your email address. Although Sections 6 and 7 are optional, it is important to include your email and phone number in case we need to reach you quickly to cure your ballot or verify your signature. This information is confidential and will only be used by county election staff to reach you to verify your ballot and ensure it is counted. For example, when the Board of Elections receives your completed vote by mail ballot, if the signature on your ballot certificate envelope does not match the signature on your voter registration, or if you forgot to sign the certificate envelope, the Board of Elections can contact you and you'll have the opportunity to cure your ballot. A voter with a curable deficiency with their vote by mail ballot will receive a letter from the Board of Elections, which you must sign and return to the board along with a copy of your photo ID immediately. Board of Elections staff may use your contact information to notify you of an issue. Lastly, you must sign your personal signature in Section 8 and write the date in Section 9. If you do not sign the application, it will be rejected. After completing your vote by mail ballot application, fold the application with the return address facing outward and tape the edges. Finally, mail the envelope to the county clerk's office through the U.S. Postal Service as soon as possible. The county clerk's office must receive it no later than 7 days prior to the election date. Unless you're a county resident currently living overseas or in the military, you may not fax or email the application. Voters may apply for a vote by mail ballot in person or by authorized messenger at the office of the county clerk in New Brunswick up to 3 p.m. the day before Election Day. Congratulations, you have now applied to vote by mail. Once received and processed by the county clerk's office, your vote by mail ballot will be mailed to the address you indicated on your application. For more information on how to complete your vote by mail ballot, stay tuned for our next video.